Hey, so if you've been using Canva but still feel like you're only scratching the surface, yeah, today I'll show you how to use it like a pro in 2026. Simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. First, don't start from scratch. Search for a template based on what you want, like YouTube thumbnails, posters, or social media posts. Now click on the text and replace it with your own content. Use bold fonts for titles and keep it clean and readable. Next, stick to a consistent color theme. Canva lets you save brand colors, so your designs always look professional. You can right-click elements and arrange layers, bring things forward or send them backward to control your design properly. Search for icons, shapes, or photos inside Canva's library. Just make sure everything matches your design style. To make your design look clean, use alignment and spacing tools. Canva will help you snap elements into place. If you're making videos or social posts, add subtle animations to make your design more engaging. And yeah, always download your design in the correct format: PNG for images, MP4 for videos, or PDF for documents. So yeah, that's how you use Canva like a pro in 2026. Once you get used to these tools, your designs instantly look more professional.